Hello everyone, my name is Tatjana Ruskovska. I'm Associate Professor of Clinical Chemistry and Biochemistry at the Faculty of Medical Sciences, Goce Delcev University in Stip, Republic of Macedonia. Goce Delcev University is a new university established only 10 years ago, but we already have significant achievements in both education and science. In our new biochemistry laboratory, I work together with my students. There are several undergraduate students who are interested in my research, and also I have one graduate student who actively works under my supervision. Our current research projects are focused on oxidative stress in patients on hemodialysis and patients with insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome. So far, my research was mostly clinically orientated, but in future we are planning to expand our research with both in vitro and hopefully animal studies. As for the EU-ROS action, my participation in this cost action actually happened as a kind of follow-up of my participation in another very successful cost action, which was focused on post-translational protein modifications. Within that action, I was able to conduct two successful short-term scientific missions, or STSMs, in the laboratory of Professor Helen Griffiths in United Kingdom. Upon her invitation, I was able to spend several weeks in her lab, and in her lab I was able to learn new methods and techniques which were not available in my country. So I'm very grateful that Professor Helen Griffiths invited me in her lab, but also I'm very grateful that cost actually supported my stay in United Kingdom. As a result of these short-term scientific missions, we were able to publish a collaborative research paper in the journal Free Radical Research. So following this excellent experience with that previous cost action, I was actually very happy when I was invited to serve as an STSM evaluator within EU-ROS cost action. Within EU-ROS, we were a committee of 3 STSM evaluators. Professor Adelina Rogowska-Wrzezzinska, who was our head and main coordinator, and Professor Jamie Kapitulnik and myself, who served as evaluators. In my opinion, the short-term scientific missions were actually one of the major achievements of EU-ROS action. Another very important achievement of EU-ROS action, in my opinion, were collaborative reviews. Within this action, several very successful, very good collaborative reviews were written, and these collaborative reviews are published in high-impact journals. Since my Fulbright grant actually happened in the middle of the EU-ROS action, I simply missed most of these collaborative reviews, but in the end I was able to give my contribution to one of these collaborative reviews, the one which was focused on oxidative stress biomarkers and their implication and significance in clinical studies. Also, I was able to give my contribution to the final publication, and within final publication I gave a short summary of my knowledge which I gained during my stay in the USA as a Fulbright grantee. In the end, I will summarize that EU-ROS cost action was a very successful one. I attended most of the meetings organized by EU-ROS cost action. I attended several excellent presentations. I was able to meet the lead scientists in the field, and in the end I will also recommend to all researchers from all around Europe to participate in cost actions and to support them. Thank you.